Davidson Seamount's underwater landscape, rising dramatically from the abyssal plains, supports a surprisingly rich and complex biological community. The most prominent feature of this ecosystem is the extensive growth of deep-sea corals and sponges, forming a vast, three-dimensional habitat that dominates the seamount's ecology. These organisms, some exceptionally ancient, reaching ages exceeding a century, are not merely individual organisms but integral components of a complex and interconnected food web. Their massive structures provide shelter, attachment points, and a substrate for a myriad of other species, creating a biodiversity hotspot in the otherwise barren deep ocean. The corals and sponges themselves are not passive elements, they actively contribute to the ecosystem's dynamism. Their surfaces are colonized by a variety of smaller organisms, including microscopic bacteria and protists, forming a crucial base of the food chain. These microscopic organisms are then consumed by larger invertebrates, such as amphipods and isopods, which in turn become prey for larger crustaceans and fish. The intricate architecture of the coral and sponge structures provides numerous microhabitats, allowing for a high degree of species packing and specialization. Different species occupy different niches within the coral branches and sponge crevices, minimizing competition and maximizing resource utilization. The invertebrate community on Davidson Seamount is exceptionally diverse, encompassing a broad range of taxa. Various species of crabs, showcasing a spectrum of adaptations to the deep-sea environment, are common inhabitants, alongside brittle stars, sea stars, and other echinoderms. The presence of these invertebrates is not merely a matter of species richness, they play critical roles in the ecosystem's functioning. Some act as scavengers, cleaning up organic debris, while others are predators, controlling populations of smaller organisms. This intricate interplay of predator-prey relationships helps maintain the ecosystem's stability and resilience. The seamount's unique topography also plays a crucial role in shaping its biological community. The currents generated as water flows over and around the seamount's slopes create upwelling zones, bringing nutrient-rich waters from the depths to the shallower regions. This enhanced nutrient availability supports higher primary productivity, providing a foundation for the entire food web. The complex patterns of water flow also influence larval dispersal, allowing for the colonization of new areas and the maintenance of genetic diversity within the seamount's population. The combination of ancient, slow-growing corals and sponges, a diverse invertebrate community, and the influence of ocean currents creates a unique and highly productive ecosystem, highlighting the importance of seamounts as biodiversity hotspots in the deep ocean. The remarkable biodiversity found on Davidson Seamount underscores the need for continued research and conservation efforts to protect this fragile and invaluable ecosystem.